this rule, a collective noun when refers to the collection as a whole, it takes a singular verb after it. A collective noun, here in the example you can see, crew is a collective noun. It takes what? A singular verb after it. The crew was large. Now see the next rule. A collective noun when refers to the collection separately. Okay, this is important. A collective noun when refers to the collection separately as individuals of which it is formed. It takes what? A plural verb. Here you can see in the example. The crew were taken prisoners. The crew. It is a collective noun. It refers to what? To the collection separately as individuals were taken prisoners. So here it is what? Plural verb. Next rule is when a noun denotes the name of a place. When the noun, it denotes what? The name of a place, an institution, or the title of a book. It takes what? A singular verb. What are the important things? Names. The names of a place, an institution, or title of a book. It takes what? A singular verb. For example, Udaipur. Udaipur dash known for its lake palaces. Name of a place. So what will it take? Singular verb. This is the verb. Next is Security Council is one of the organs of the UN. Is Security Council institution. Security Council is one of the 6 organs of the UN. Now see the next page. Important points to remember. That is, an order is followed for placing subjects of different persons in a sentence. This is important. What? An order is followed for placing subjects of different persons. Subjects of different persons. Generally, the order used is what? Second person, then third person, and then first person. See, it will become clear in the example. You, she, and I shall have a party tonight. Okay. Subjects of different person. Subjects of different person. You is second person, she is third person, and I is first person. What is the order? 2, 3, and 1. Now the next case is, however, in case of a sentence where a confession is made, this is important. When a confession is made, the order is reversed. What is the reversed order? It is 1, 3, and 2. See here in the example, I, she, and you have told a lie. Confession, lie. I, she, and you. I is 1, she is 3, and you is 2. Now come see some other important rules. Some other important rules you will find. A plural noun is followed by words expressing what? Quantity, like a number of, majority of, a lot of. It takes what? A plural verb. A large number of women were. Here you can see it is taking a plural verb. See the next rule. A plural noun followed by words expressing what? Mathematical figures, like number of. Mathematical figure. Number of illiterate people in is decreasing. Is. It takes what? A singular verb. Now the next one. Lot of. The next rule is lot of. A sentence which begins with what? Lot of. It takes what? Both singular and plural verb. Lots of water is. Lots of water. Okay. It takes both singular and plural. Here it is people, so it will take plural verb. Next is lots. with an infinitive. It takes what? A singular verb. Lots with an infinitive. It takes a singular verb. Here you can see there dash lots, infinitive 2 is here. Lots to be done on the project. So here it will take what? A singular verb is. Now come to the next number. When an indefinite number or quantity is followed by what? Of. Okay, then what happens? Of plus noun. Here you can see how it is done. Singular with a singular noun placed after what? Of, and plural with a plural noun placed after of. See here, singular one. Plenty of water is required. Water is required. It is what? Singular. Plenty of oranges are. Plural with a plural noun. Okay, plural verb with a plural noun. Next is, as I said, indefinite number or quantity. Next comes a couple of changes are required. Couple, number is here. Plural. A handful of men agree with him. This is the next example. Turn the page. Here you will see an assignment is given. This I would like you all to do it in the book first. We will do correction of it and then you will copy it down in your language copy. But before you do the assignment, it is important for you to write down all the rules in your copy and learn it.